Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are a group of 1 to 5. Let me introduce them. My name is Della Viola. Then there's Intan Anggrini Rokib, Desti Abrazaki, Muhammad Hafiz, and Piga Marda Hairani. So, in this video, we like to give a presentation about development of a mini distillation column equipped with an impeller to enhance vapor liquid contact. For the first, we need background on the device. Distillation in laboratory scale mini columns often suffers from low efficiency because the vapor liquid contact area is limited. As a result, students cannot observe essential internal dynamics such as the mass transfer, temperature distribution, and reflex behavior. Introducing a mechanical impeller offers a promising pathway to improve turbulence and enhance phase interaction. This innovation is particularly relevant for enhancing efficiency in small-scale industries, such as essential oil processing, which heavily rely on distillation. After finding out the background of the device, we can find the problem of the statement and object device which needs attention. Problem statement for the first, low efficiency in conventional mini columns. The second, no integration of impeller-based agitation. The third, performance improvement not yet quantified object device. And then object device. For the first, design a mini distillation column with an impeller. The second, evaluate improvement in separation efficiency. The third, provide a more representative particle learning tool.
On this slide, I will explain the fundamental theory that support our innovation, a mini distillation column equipped with an impeller. First, according to Giancopoulos, 2003, distillation is described as the heart of fluid separation in the chemical industry. This highlights how essential the process is for petrochemical, alcohol production, essential oil, pharmaceutical, and many other sectors. Distillation relies on differences in boiling point and occurs through repeated cycles of vaporization and condensation. However, in conventional laboratory scale mini column specical tools used for education purpose, the vapor liquid contact is often limited. As stated in our proposal, student general observer only temperature change and distillate volume without fully understanding internal dynamics such as reflux distribution, flow stability, and heat mass transfers. Theoretical students show that separation efficiency depends heavily on how wide and effective the vapor liquid contact area is. Wibowo et al. 2021 emphasized that adding an impeller significantly increases turbulence inside the column, with exchange, phase interaction, and mass transfer. Likewise, Sutanto et al. 2018 reported that impeller assisted mini column can improve separation effective by up 25%. This theoretical foundation also present in the literature review section of our proposal provide a strong justification for developing a mini distillation column with impeller assistance. They demonstrated that this innovation is both relevant and and capable of raising the performance of laboratory distillation system. Our main innovation is the development of a mini distillation column equipped with mm, a mechanical impeller, which operates at speed of 200 to 500 RPM. This design is what clearly differentiates our system from conventional main columns. As explained in our proposal, the impeller created stranger turbulence inside the column, which result in more effective vapor-liquid interaction. With this enhanced turbulence, the mass transfer rate increases, allowing the column to produce distillation with higher purity. Beyond academic benefit, this type of system also has real potential for small-scale industries, such as essential oil production and ethanol purification, where higher efficiency can directly improve product quality. The innovation still maintain a compact and affordable design, making it suitable for taking laboratories. However, its internal performance more closely resembles industrial distillation behavior, giving students a much clearer and more realistic understanding of the process. Overall, this innovation offers two major benefits. It improves separation eventually and enhances the learning experience for chemical engineering students.
The distillation process begins when a mixture of ethanol water with a ratio of 50-50 is pumped into the distillation column. Then the liquid is heated using a reboiler with a power of 200 to 400 W to produce ethanol-rich steam. Lower boiling point components like ethanol will evaporate first. This steam races through the column, while the impeller, driven by the DC motor at a speed of 200 to 500 RPM, creates turbulence so that the contact between the steam and the liquid becomes more intensive. This increase in contact helps to improve separation efficiency. The steam reaching the top of the column is passed to the condenser for cooling, where it is cooled using cooling water so that it turns into a liquid. The condensation results liquid then goes into the drum reflux. A portion is streamed back to the column as a reflux to maintain separation balance, and another portion is put out as distillate. At the same time, less volatile liquid accumulates at the bottom of the column and come out as bottom products. For comparison purposes, conventional column design without impeller is also used. Next, there's the process flow for separating ethanol and water. Similar to the previous slide, the process begins by introducing a 50-50 ethanol-water mixture into a distillation column driven by a DC motor. The mixture is then heated in a boiler to the produced steam. Inside the column, an impeller facilitates separation, allowing the ethanol vapor to rise, while water remains as the bottom product. The ethanol vapor then flows to a condenser to cool and turn into a liquid, where some becomes reflux and the remainder becomes the distillate. The process ends when the distillate is collected and the bottom product is removed.
Our columns offer significant performance improvement. The propeller column will produce stronger turbulence, more stable temperature distribution, and more effective steam-liquid contact, resulting in higher distillation efficiency. Our testing will use a mixture of ethanol water 50-50 with variations in reflux ratio 2:1 to 5:1 and heating rate. We will measure key parameters such as distillate purity using a refractometer and MARPI efficiency. The implementation of the project is divided into 4 systematic stages. First, the tool design used CAD modeling to determine the specification. Second, prototype manufacture, where we made 2 units, bare impeller and conventional, as comparators. Third, tool performance testing through experiment with varied operational conditions. Fourth, data analysis, where separation efficiency is calculated and compared quantitatively.
We are targeting several key achievements. This prototype is expected to achieve a 20 to 30% increase in separation efficiency compared to conventional system. Educationally, this device will serve as a more representative practical tool for understanding mass transfer. Finally, this innovation supports the principle of sustainable engineering, as it has the potential to reduce energy consumption and minimize process waste. In conclusion, this mini distillation column equipped with an impeller is a practical and impactful innovation designed to enhance efficiency, improve student learning outcomes, and support the development of laboratories called chemical engineering in Indonesia. We hope it can serve as an efficient and applicable solution. Thank you for attention. Ladies and gentlemen, we now welcome any question.